This is from the message of Regional Director Ted Tan. So he talked about potential. For every employee, there is difference in salary bracket. So based on social stratification, provincial and city rates. So this influence domestic immigration. So okay, this is true. So he's talking about the salary. Mostly of the people right now, especially the Philippines, they are employed, and the salary bracket depends to the qualification and your location. So imagine if you will be working in that certain company. If you are employed the whole all your life, like 30 years, 20 years, of course in between something might happen. You might be working in you might be transferring to another company, start from scratch, okay, from the basic lowest rate of your salary. So you cannot determine how much you can earn. And as far as I know, no employees yet who became millionaire. Even the testimony of one person, a banker who is now successful in Reway, the hard-earned money, he cannot spend it traveling abroad with his family. However, what he earned in that company, in that bank, as the assistant to the vice president, okay, is already his tax. Okay, when he joined Reway, he is one of the Pegasus is right now in the Philippines, and he can afford with his whole family to travel anywhere, anytime, even sponsor the trips of his team. So being employed, if you are employed, you don't have the time, you have no time to do other things, and you cannot be successful in life. So it is far to achieve the dreams or the life that you dream of. Whereas if you are doing multi-level marketing, you duplicate yourself. So here, so the environment is very important. The majority of people want stability, of course, in life, security, professional. So a lot will spend years studying. So you're gonna go for the doctorate, like that. For me, I did not finish already my masteral, because if I'm going to finish my masteral's degree as a teacher, then what? How much I'm gonna earn? I'm sure up to now I cannot travel. So I thank my old self with that good decision I made 8 years ago. So, well, the environment where you are will usually determine who you will become. So people tend to be comfortable. No, right now they are okay already. It's because they are not okay, but they don't dare. They have no courage to do other things, or they're just lazy to do other things. And many of them, they just rely to other people, to the loans. If they don't have money enough for their food and other things to spend for the whole month, they tend to loan, like that. So it's like living their life, because they just extend their life because of the loan. Anyway, so they will not readily change, okay, a lot of them. So sometimes we feel sorry for them, but they don't even cannot make an effort, exert an effort, extend the working hours to do other things to help themselves, okay, especially in financial. So if they themselves, okay, will not effort, how can you help these people? So they will not readily change, because they are secured or as employees, so they think they are okay already of what they have. But how many employed people really become millionaires and truly successful? So I don't know if you know someone else. Okay, so today Reway may not be number one in the world, but in Reway is considered very successful in the direct selling. So according to Ted Tan, even myself is considered successful and very high ranking. So when we say potential, means you have many challenges in the market because of the competition, success is possible. Okay, fighting for the market means the growth. There is growth, development, and good marketability and buying power. So a country like Singapore, when it progresses, it indirectly affects all business,
This is
a
from
part of the success of company